Want to build wealth through real estate, but have no idea where to start? Whether you're a complete beginner or someone thinking about buying their first property, this video is for you. Hey everyone, welcome back Fundamental Finances. Today I'm breaking down how you can build a real estate portfolio from scratch, even if you don't have a lot of money or experience. We'll go step by step, keeping it beginner-friendly, practical, and actionable. Let's dive in. Step 1. Understand the basics. Before you jump in, you need to understand what real estate investing actually is. This includes rental properties, single-family, multifamily, appreciation, cash flow, equity, and leverage. Your goal is to build a portfolio, a group of properties that generate income and build long-term wealth. The three most common types of real estate investing are buy and hold, house hacking, and flipping. For beginners, buy and hold is usually the most stable and scalable. Step 2. Get your finances in order. Now let's talk about money. You don't need to be rich to get started, but you do need to be financially prepared. Checklist. Credit score, aim for 680 plus. Down payment, 3.5–20% depending on the loan type. Emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of expenses. Keep it below 43%. Also, talk to a mortgage broker early on. Knowing what you can afford sets your budget and narrows your options. Pro tip: first-time buyers may qualify for FHA loans, which require lower down payments. Step 3. Pick a strategy. There's no one-size-fits-all approach, so choose a strategy that fits your goals and risk level. Options breakdown. Number 1. Buy and hold, long-term rentals for monthly income and appreciation. Number 2. House hacking, live in one unit, rent out the others. Great way to start with low cost. Number 3. Method, buy, rehab, rent, refinance, repeat. Advanced but powerful for scaling fast. Most beginners start with either a house hack or a single-family rental. Keep it simple, especially on your first deal. Step 4. Choose the right market. Where you invest matters just as much as what you buy. Look for markets with job growth, population growth, affordable property prices, and strong rental demand. Use tools like Zillow, Rentometer, and BiggerPockets Market Finder to do your research. Avoid hot markets where prices are already inflated. It's better to be in a stable, cash-flowing city than chasing appreciation. Step 5. Analyze deals like a pro. Numbers don't lie. Always analyze the deal before you buy. Quick metrics to know. Cash flow, income minus expenses. Cap rate, net operating income, property price. Cash on cash return, annual cash flow, total cash invested. 1% rule. Monthly rent should 1% of the purchase price, rough rule of thumb. Factor in repairs, property management, taxes, insurance, and vacancies. You want the property to make money after all that. Use free calculators on sites like BiggerPockets or Mashvisor. Step 6. Build your team. Real estate is a team sport. People you need. A real estate agent, investor-friendly, lender or mortgage broker, property manager, optional but useful, contractor, handyman, and a CPA or accountant for taxes. You don't need to know everything, just have the right people around you who do. Take action. The biggest mistake most beginners make? Analysis paralysis. They research, watch videos, but never buy. Start small. Buy one property. Learn the process, then scale up from there. Quick scaling tips. Reinvest your cash flow. Use equity from property number 1 to fund property 2. Consider partnerships or creative financing later on. Your first deal won't be perfect, but it will be your most important one. If you made it this far, you're serious about building wealth through real estate. Start small, stay consistent, and in a few years, you could be sitting on a portfolio that pays you month after month. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more real estate content, and drop a comment below with any questions that you have. I reply to as many as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.